In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called iOS Launcher 16 from Launcher Studio Developer. This one. When your app is ready, open it. Now to set it up, hit Get Started. Select I agree to terms and conditions and select Continue. Now tap on Continue again and select while using and allow in all pop-ups. Then close and add. Manage all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, hit Set as Default at the top. Now to apply iOS Launcher, just click on it and wait. As you can see, after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to, you can always switch between your layouts by going into the same app, clicking on Set as Default at the top, and tapping on your Samsung one instead. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!